babes, and welcome back to my channel. Here in this video I will be going ahead and unboxing / reviewing the Mefa Nail Gel Polish Kit. And if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Jess and I do tips and nail videos. Like I said, here in this video I will be going ahead and showing you guys what I got here, as well as the colors, the consistency, what I think about them, the packaging. So I'm really excited to be going ahead and showing you guys what I got here. And also, if you guys are new to my channel, do not forget to check down below the description for any of my social media as well as any of my latest videos. So I'm really excited to be going ahead and unboxing it. So as you can see here, we have the package and this is what the kit comes in. So as you can see, the packaging is absolutely beautiful with all these beautiful flowers and colors and really nice, pretty, vibrant colors that it has here. And as you can see, it does contain 20 colors plus 3. So it also does include top coat, base, and matte, I believe. So just to show you guys really quick around the packaging, here it does say unlock the new trends in nail art, multicolor gel nail set. Feel free to match and create your own unique color nail art. And then here in the back, it does, as you can see, contain just some info, some warnings and cautions. And as you can see, it does say it does contain 20 popular and trendy color nail polishes as well that do require top and base. They do last 23 plus days with a perfect shine, and they are perfect for your collection. And it just says the same thing on the side as well. So as you can see here, we have the kit, and I'm really excited to be going ahead and unboxing it. So I will be going ahead and opening her with my gold vintage scissors from Bell's Beauty Supplies. So make sure to go check her out and use my code to save money. So here we have the gel kit. So as you can see, this is what it comes in. So it does contain the little bubbled little foam to have them in place, which I love. So as you can see, it also does contain here a little cute paper manual. So here in the back, it does have tips on the gel as well as the packaging, as well as here it also does have a tutorial on how to do it, warnings, and here is their contact information if you guys are interested in that. And then opening it up, here it does have an application guide, which I love, and also does have a removal guide as well as a Q&A in case you guys have any questions and just need some quick answers. So I love that it contains that. So I'm really excited to be going ahead and swatching all these beautiful colors that I see. And also, like I did mention, it does have 20 colors plus 3 others. So here we do have the base, we have the matte, as well as the top coat. So here we have the 3. So this is what it looks like. This is what the packaging looks like. As you can see, it looks really nice and sleek. And as you could see, it does have 5 ml, and also I love the packaging. I love that it's black. It has the gold top, and I do also like that on top it does have like the color and it does have the number, so I love that. I'm not really sure exactly what the barcode is for, but we're about to scan it because I'm definitely interested in that. And then here in the back, it does say we didn't invent nail gel polish, but we reinvented it. I love that. I love that little saying, slang. And then it also does contain on how to store these. So obviously you want to keep gel out of light and keep it in a cool place, so that way you can preserve your gels and they don't go bad. And then also on the back, it does have warning in case anything like that. So again, I love the packaging. It's super cute, but I am definitely interested on this barcode, whatever this is. So I'm gonna go in with my phone really quick to scan her. As you can see, you guys could see my whatchamacallit, my area, but we're gonna scan this one. It's scanning all the rest, but not this one. So okay, it just takes us to the web. Let's see. Okay, so basically it just takes you to where you could buy it, I'm guessing, because it just takes me to a link. But yeah, like I mentioned, I will make sure to link these down below, so make sure to go check that out. But as in for the colors, they look absolutely beautiful. I do see that we do have like some glitter here maybe, and some really nice pastel, nice spring colors, especially right now for in season. So I'm really excited to be going ahead and swatching these again. I'm going to be going ahead and taking all of them out this foam.
A little secret, I don't wish for my success, I speak it. I caught a buzz and you did too, but you tweaking. I look like I've been getting money, I reek it. You smell me, that's LV. Walk around with my chest out and my skin smooth, I'm healthy. I'm in a mix, I'm handshaking, but most of y'all can't help.
As you can see, I have all the gels here. I do have the base, top, and matte. So I will be putting these off to the side since I won't be using those right now. But I will be going in and swatching all the colors. So I am going to start off with this one. I'm guessing this one's white or maybe just like a light color that it looks like. I don't know. But this one caught my attention. And yeah, it's white. I cannot wait to try out their white. I love to try out every brand's white. So cannot wait to try her out. I'm not gonna swatch this one, although I will say I am gonna swatch it here on my nail just so we can see the pigmentation. And yeah, look at that. That looks really good, honestly. It looks really, I like the consistency too. It's not like too thin or watery, but it's just right for gel. That looks really, really nice. So I cannot wait to use this white on some Frenchies. Definitely make sure to comment down below if you guys want to see me trying out this white with some Frenchies or I don't know, whatever. Make sure to comment down below if you guys want to see a tutorial with these gels, because I will be having one coming up soon. So I am definitely going to start off with swatching the rest of the gels. And I will also be going ahead and using some swatch sticks to use them and show you guys the colors. And as well, I will be using my nail lamp as well to cure them. Here we have number 57. This one looks really, really pretty. A nice little sky blue color. Again, I will be going in with my swatch sticks to swatch the color. As you can see, this is what it looks like. It is a really, really pretty sky blue, and I will be going ahead and swatching and curing all the colors underneath the lamp for 45 seconds, and this looks absolutely beautiful. I love the pigmentation, the consistency so far, so I am going to be going ahead and curing that. And also, if you guys haven't checked out any of my past videos, but I actually have reviewed again this brand before. I believe their other collection that I had was different. It was more kind of like a fall collection. So make sure to go check out that video as well. But overall, I do love this brand. It is affordable. It is perfect for any beginner. It is also perfect for just anybody. Guys want to get into drawing or want to start doing nail art, whatever the case may be, this is perfect. Like stuff like this, like collections like this are perfect. They come with the base, they come with the top, they come with the matte, they come with your choice of color arrangements, which obviously, as you can see, have a variety. This one's really pretty as well. This is more of like a nudish kind of like light pink ivory kind of color. This one's really pretty. And again, curing that underneath the lamp for 45 seconds. And as you could see, I will be going ahead and swatching all of them once and curing them underneath the lamp. They are definitely pigmented and they are definitely not watery. I hate gel polishes that are really watery and opaque and just aren't like this. This has a really nice consistency to it. Like I said, I have tried out their gels before, so I really, really like them, I will say. So I cannot wait to swatch the rest of this collection, and you guys will see here as I do. And also you guys will see that I'm also labeling as I go, so that way I don't mess up, which I like to do, especially when it's bigger collections like this. I don't want to get like the colors mixed up. As you can see, there's like different pinks that kind of look similar, so I'm going to also be going ahead and labeling them as I go. So as you can see here on the side, I do have my labeler, and also I will make sure to link everything that I use linked down below. But the next color that I'm going in with is 41. This one's really pretty. This is a really, really, really pretty green. Definitely, I don't have anything like this in my collection, but I definitely love it. And like I mentioned, I'm super excited to do some nail art with these gels. So make sure to comment down below if you guys want to see some nail art, and also if you guys want to see anything specific. But again, I will make sure to link down below the products that I use, as well as this gel collection in specific, and make sure to keep on watching me swatch these gels. And I will say with this one, I am going to be going ahead and showing you guys a little trick that I also seen. I believe I seen it on TikTok, if I'm not wrong. Obviously, everybody's on TikTok right now. So I did see some girl like make like a little video showing that, especially with like these kind of swatch sticks. Obviously, as you can see here at the top, it looks, you know, if it, this is how it would look like if it were to be glossy. And then I did notice at the bottom, at the base, I'm going to be using the matte that it came with. And it basically just said that if you put a layer of the matte at the bottom, that's an easier way to show your clients that's how the color would look if it were to be matte. So I just thought about that right now. So I'm about to go ahead and cure the bottom of this one so that way we could see what it looks like. I'm going to be going ahead and opening this one next. I believe this one's a glitter. That one's pretty. It's like a pink with like silver sparkles in it. That's super cute. So I will be going ahead and swatching this one. This one's number 52. This one definitely has like a nice pretty color to it. I'm gonna go ahead and cure that. So this is what it looks like. So this is what it would look like glossy, and then this is what it would look like matte. So if that makes sense, I just thought I would include it here. So I will be going ahead and doing this exact same thing to the rest. I will be going ahead and matting out the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and also do that with the matte that it came with. So if you guys see me using that one, that's why. So just a little quick tip for you guys as well here on YouTube. So I'm gonna also be going ahead and adding that to the bottom.
I don't wish for my success, I speak it. I caught a buzz and you did too, but you tweaking. I look like I've been getting money, I rig it. You smell me, that's LV. Walk around with my chest out and my skin smooth, I'm healthy.
Okay, so as you can see here, we have all the beautiful colors. As you can see, there's definitely a big range of pinks, as well as like some blues here, and like a bit of just pops of color. Like here we have like this neon yellow, this coral kind of color, this bright blue kind of color. And like I mentioned, I did also go ahead and do the matte bottoms. So here, as you can see, this is what they all look like matte, which I do apologize if I'm covering some, just because as you can see there is 20 colors. So yeah, definitely a big range in color. I absolutely love. So here, as you can see here, we have all 20 colors except obviously the white. You guys know that I don't ever swatch whites, but here, as you can see here, we have all the other colors overall. And also, like I did mention, I did went ahead and did the matte. I obviously missed one, but it's okay. And here is how the rest of them look matte. They are super beautiful colors with a big range, as you could see, with pinks. We have blues. These are absolutely perfect right now for spring coming up. As well, also you do have like a couple mauves for just like an everyday use. So I absolutely love the color range and the variation that this collection has. And this collection does only come with one glitter, but it's kind of hard to tell, but it looks super pretty and seamless, that if you do it matte, it just wouldn't be seen at all. And please ignore my crusty nails. Make sure to stay tuned for some nail tutorials as well as some watch me works coming up. So overall, these are all the brand new colors that this collection holds. And again, I will make sure to link it down below, so make sure to go check it out if you guys want these colors in your collection. I definitely suggest you guys go get your hands on them, because honestly, this collection does have a nice variation to it. And also it does include your matte base and top, so that is perfect. If you guys want to start off by doing just manicures, this is perfect. You have your range of colors and you have your top 3 necessities, obviously. So I definitely recommend. And I do apologize if you guys hear my birds, as you guys know. But here, as you can see, again, all the colors, they are absolutely beautiful. And here, the first one that I'm just going to show you guys really quick and seamlessly. Here we have number 52. This one's really pretty. Here we have number 53. This one's beautiful as well. This is how she looks matte. Just a really pretty light pink. This like gray kind of has like a blue green tone to it. And here he is matte, super pretty color. Here we have number 57. This is a really beautiful sky blue. I absolutely love that one. Here we have number 59. This is more like a light ivory kind of color. As you can see, super pretty still. Here we have number 56. This is a really pretty periwinkle lavender color. It is so beautiful. Here next we have number 50. This is a really nice hot pink for just like summer overall. Here we have the hottest pink that this collection comes with. This is a really nice Barbie pink. Here we have this like blue purple color, super pretty as well, kind of like a periwinkle, but a little bit darker, I will say, than the last one that I showed you. Next we have this purple. This is a really pretty lilac color. Here we have number 51. This is a really pretty mauve. It kind of has like a tone of pink to it. Next we have 47. This is a really nice pink as well. This one's like a nice pop of pink. Here we have 48. This is more of like a subtle kind of pink, which I'm actually gonna matte it really quick, so that way you guys could also get your look at it in matte, so that way we could see what it looks like. But it's still a really pretty pink color. I'm gonna go ahead and cure that underneath the lamp for 45 seconds. And then here next we have 45. Here we have this light pink. This one's still pretty as well. Here we have 44. This is a really nice neon yellow. Here we have number 43. This is a really nice kind of like teal green mint color. Here we have number 41. This is more of like a subtle one. This is a little bit more on the darker side. And this is number 51 again. And also this one's way darker than the last one. Here we have number 42. This is a really nice light blue, a nice pastel blue. And then last but not least, here we have 46, and this is a really nice orange coral color. I love that. And then obviously last but not least, here we have that 48, still a nice pink for like a good everyday. So this is all the colors that this collection came with, as well as with the white, obviously. Also, it's matte, it's base, and it's top. So make sure to comment down below if you guys want to see some nail art with these as well. If you guys want to see just any video coming up, make sure to comment down below your thoughts and opinions, as well as any video suggestions. But I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed me swatching and giving you guys some little tips and tricks, as well as make sure to check down below in the description for any of the products that I mentioned here, as well as for this nail gel polish collection. If you guys wish to get your hands on it, make sure to go check it out. I will make sure to link it down below, so make sure to go check it out and go ahead and get your hands on it, because it's definitely a must for this spring coming around. And also do not forget to check down below in the description for any discount codes, any of my social media, any of my latest videos. And I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed, and also do not forget to subscribe, check out my channel, and turn on the bell so that you get notified to my upload. And I definitely hope to see you guys in the next one, no babes.